आशिक हूँ मैं, कातिल भी हूँ, सबके दिलों में शामिल भी हूँ। आशिक हूँ मैं, कातिल भी हूँ, सबके दिलों में शामिल भी हूँ। आशिक हूँ मैं, कातिल भी हूँ, सबके दिलों में शामिल भी हूँ। दिल को चुराना, नींदे उड़ाना, बस यही मेरा कसूर। वादों से अपने मुकरता नहीं, मरने से मैं कभी डरता नहीं। बादशाह
What? चल छैया छैया चल छैया
इश्क की
चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया छैया छैया।
Hello. I'm sorry about that. Well, hello, my name is Shubham, aka Silent Stuff, and welcome to tonight's edition of The Entertainment Industry is Screwed. Well, yes, the showbiz and entertainment industry, which includes film and television, is by far one of the worst hit and yet underrated industries in terms of financial damage across all entertainment industries around the world. Some of the prominent films that have been delayed are like my favorite, The Tenet, directed by Christopher Nolan, or that new James Bond movie, what's it called? No Time to Die, Akshay Kumar's Suryavanshi, Salman Khan's Radhe, and a lot more movies. But at least we got the Snyder Cut. Claps for getting the Snyder Cut out into the public. It's all because of you, my friend. Clap, everybody. Clap, right? While actors and TV stars are one of the highest paid professionals in the world today, some of our lower tier stars, directors, Indian actors, musicians have severely suffered because of this pandemic. On tonight's topic, we have a special guest, you know, the one and only Alia Bhatt. And she says she's learned a few things through this whole pandemic and so called lockdown. Let's see what she has to say.
Ranveer, take the cat with you now. First stroll downstairs, yeah.
Hi, Alia.
No, I can't come. I'm in the middle of interview because obviously I have more work than you nowadays. Yeah, just take up. Yeah. So hi, Shubham.
Hi, Alia. How are
What have
you?
I done in my quarantine? I have read a lot of books, plenty of books. I have read books on Roman culture, on Indus Valley civilization, on even Guinness Book of World Record. Yeah. So I've completed all of them. And there's this very interesting fact I'll tell you about. Did you know that Jesus Christ actually came to the Himalayas to seek knowledge from the gurus? That's so interesting, right?
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Well, are you ready for some questions, some relevant questions?
Question and answers?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's been a lot, like a long while that I haven't done any question and answer because no coffee with Karan. Yeah, the last time I went there, I was brutally trolled. So, but okay, I like taking challenges. So let's.
Alright, the first question's easy. What is India's Independence Day?
15th August. 15th August and 26th January is Republic Day. No, try something tough. Yeah.
Okay, who's the owner of Amazon?
Jeff. Jeff. It is Jeff. Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos. Yeah. Where do you think I'm getting all these books from? But it is Bezos. Or
Bezos.
Jeff. Jeff for sure.
Alright, who's the Finance Minister of India?
Uh, th- this wasn't the part of the script that you sent me. No, you were supposed to ask me who's the Tiger Shroff's girlfriend.
We're live.
You, Shubham, I'm gonna call Karan and tell him that you're not going by the script.
Alia, we're
if
live.
Coffee with Karan can be scripted, why can't your news be scripted?
It's fine, Alia. It's just a trick
no,
question.
I'm telling Karan that you're not going by the script, and that is why he should never allow you into Bollywood. Only nepotism and star kids come.
Alia, we're
You
live.
guys are ruining it anyway.
We're live.
No, actually, Ranveer is calling me. Okay, I'll just get back to you. Ranveer, I'm coming. wait, baby.
Okay, our next guest is the one and only Kareena Kapoor Bebo.
You know, me and Saif are people who already like to enjoy life together. You know, we don't go outside too much. So one day I wake up to Kejo's call, and in the morning it's like 5, and he's telling me ki, Kareena, you know, there's this lockdown going on and nobody can go out. So I was like ki, it is very regular for me, but after some point I did get bored, like all of us were feeling very stuck in the same house with the same people, so we now felt very bored. So then I thought ki Insta join karte hain, and in this my Kaftan live, then I started posting, and that is going on very well, huh? That is on the other side
That's
very,
good,
very
that's
well. Apart from that, you know, I'm very happy and content in my homely life, and I don't like you know, Temur being clicked all the time, me deciding for my gym outfits, because you know I have to be clicked, Temur has to be clicked.
Must be hard.
Our life is a lot more private affair now, and this is what I think I always wanted. So for me, lockdown is like you know, very good and everything. I like to cook. I like to cook for Saif. Saif is the best husband. Temur is the best kid. I like to post pictures. I like to talk on my gossip groups
Nice.
and everything, and you know, take all of this Bollywood news. I'm very sad about Sushant. Like that was one brilliant boy, but apart from it, I think life is going on good. So that is.
I guess we have another call coming in from Ananya Pandey. Wow.
Started. Oh, yes, it started. Oh my god, I'm just very new to this. This is my first like interactive
Yeah.
session. So Karina just called me up and told me that Temur peed in his pants, so she had to leave. But as Keja says, I'm Karina's replacement in Bollywood as Oopsie. So then I thought might as well join and talk to you instead of her as well. And I don't know if you want to know how my struggle is going in this quarantine, but I will anyways tell it to you. So my struggle has been very different from my father Chunky Pandey's struggle. Like he never had to face quarantine. He never went on a Dharma movie. He was never approached by Karan for coffee with Karan, but I was. Similarly, coronavirus is the first time for me, and he had never experienced this. But now we are. I don't do anything. I just work out in my Puma, like Puma over everything. Don't go for Adidas or even Louis Vuitton. Always choose Puma. So I just sit and work out, and our housemates, they're like my best friends. They do anything I tell them to. So yeah, Tara and my housemates, they both are my best friends. So they just do all the work I tell them to, and I just work out and just plan my future with like Tejo in the movies. And I also talk to Karthik
Oh, nice.
sometimes, yeah. But Karthik talks to a lot of girls, so yeah. That is how my struggle in quarantine is going. I'm sure you had fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
Well, you see, everybody's at home doing their own thing, and Alia has more brains now, presumably. Who's the Finance Minister of India, by the way? Oh, okay. See, directors and producers have recognized the fact that the coronavirus pandemic has led their business to go into the drain. So that's why they're still seeking a lot of help from various streaming platforms such as Netflix and Amazon. when it comes to the streaming platforms, it is no hidden fact that these guys are earning in millions. And at the same time, they're able to support directors out of jobs, they're able to support good editors, actors, writers, cinematographers. So, yeah, praising them at this moment is the right way to go about it. I mean, during the lockdown, I was able to complete each and every series, each and every movie that I wasn't able to watch before, which goes from The Office, Game of Thrones, Ozark, Westworld, Big Bang Theory, and several other movies that recently came out on these platforms. I watched so many movies, so many movies. I wasted 2 months of my life only on this. So that's why I wanted to not waste any more time and focus on my YouTube channel, my career, which is gone into the drain. But yeah, moving on. Well, you don't have to be so negative. There is positive in the darkest of times. So, the production houses in the United Kingdom have restarted, which will translate into various TV shows like The Witcher Season 2, Henry Cavill. I haven't seen the first season, by the way. Or even Sisters is another show. And The Oval. Well, it's not that easy to shoot movies or TV shows right now because you still have to maintain social distancing during this whole pandemic. So, certain rules were set. And I mean, this is so tough. Firstly, no elongated scenes between the characters. They literally have to maintain a gap of 6 feet. No increased production population. I mean, which means no extra people allowed on set. Only necessary personnel are allowed. Well, Bollywood is freaking out. Actors sitting at home, directors not knowing what to do. And imagine the rest of the crew. A lot of people are involved in the process of making a movie. All of those people are unemployed at this moment. Well, you don't have to worry because they're still trying to resume productions from the months of July and August. But at the end of the day, it comes back to you. When the theaters open, are you going to go and watch a movie with 50 other people sitting in a very close proximity? Well, I don't know about you, but I'm definitely going to think twice before watching a movie in the movie theaters anytime soon. मूवी थिएटर से याद आया, अगर पीवीआर वालों ने अपने कोक और पॉपकॉर्न के प्राइसेस नहीं गिराए तो मेरे से बुरा कुछ नहीं होगा, और अगर मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं अपनी मम्मी की भी नहीं सुनता. Well, that's about it for tonight. But before leaving, I just want to say a couple of words. This week for us was quite tough after what happened to Sushant Singh Rajput. I, as a creator, was heartbroken. I used to admire him a lot for what he did. And I just want to say that if you're going through depression, please seek help by either going to a professional or try reaching out to friends or people around you. You, as a friend, also have the responsibility of being close to that certain person. If you know he's going through depression, be with him, act like a friend, and yeah. We're going through a lot of tough times, the whole corona thing, and then every week we're getting bad news, you know. But yeah, again, we'll get through this, and as I always say, we'll get through this together. So till then, it's your boy Silent Stuff. See you on Sunday. We have a very special guest and a very special video coming out on Sunday. And I just want to clap for Yashvi. She did a very good job with her mimicking. So yeah, go follow her, her Instagram, everything, all the details are in the description box below. You can follow me on Instagram on Silent Stuff Official, because it's official. Alright guys, bye.